These statements are to convert your negative thoughts into positive and to make you success in your life. I am a fearless person. I believe in myself. I have no fear of any kind. I make my rate my strength. I don't mind losing. I'm always ready. I am ready for today. I am ready for tomorrow. I am strong at every turn in life. Also fearless and ready. I won't let all my bad times get to me. I will ride my tomorrow from my today. From today I will work very hard. No one can stop me from succeeding tomorrow by my hard work, and I will do my work with integrity. I have the urge to win. I have the determination to make my dreams come true. I am always serious about my dreams. I will read many books. I will get good knowledge by reading books, and she will help me be a good speaker. I am a rock. No one can put me down. I am an ocean. No one can drown me. I am too fast towards my dreams. No one can stop me. I don't have tension. When I reach my goal, I will defeat it too. I will also break at the rate of losing him, but I never will. I will keep on moving towards my goal. I can't get it till the people. People will laugh at me, they will scare me too, and they also tease me, but even then I will not deviate from my goal. I will keep moving towards my goal, and I'll get it. I can achieve my goal. I believe in me. And I will not leave you in your difficult times. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to your